Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're celebrating a major milestone, week 4 of your incredible sugar-free journey. Can you believe it's been a whole month since you committed to transforming your health and well-being? I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Get ready to be amazed, because today, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits you're experiencing right now. Remember those intense cravings that seem to hit you out of nowhere? You'd walk past a bakery, see a dessert ad, and suddenly, your willpower went out the window. But now, something incredible has happened. Your brain and taste buds have been retrained. Can you walk past those tempting treats without a second thought? Do you find yourself choosing a piece of fruit over a sugary snack? That's the power of your commitment shining through. And you know what the best part is? This newfound control isn't temporary. It's a lasting change that will continue to empower you as you move forward on your health journey. Now let's talk about something I know many of you have been experiencing: weight loss. It's not uncommon for those who ditch sugar to see a difference on the scale. In fact, many people report losing around 5 to 15 pounds, especially around the midsection. But here's the thing that truly excites me. This isn't about a quick fix or a fad diet. It's about sustainable weight loss that comes from nourishing your body with real whole foods. And that, my friends, is priceless. Let's be honest, we all want that healthy, youthful glow. But did you know that sugar is one of the biggest culprits behind dull, tired-looking skin? It's true. Sugar can damage collagen, which is essential for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. After 4 weeks of saying no to refined sugar, you're likely seeing a beautiful transformation in the mirror. Your skin is probably clearer, more hydrated, less puffy, and more elastic. Remember those nights of tossing and turning, waking up feeling groggy and unrested? Well, those days are fading away. Sugar can disrupt our sleep in so many ways. But now, without those sugary spikes and dips, your body is finally getting the restorative rest it deserves. You're sleeping deeper, waking up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to embrace the day ahead. Have you noticed a difference in how your body feels? Many people tell me that after giving up sugar, they feel physically lighter, as if a weight has been lifted, literally. Without all that processed sugar clogging up their system, their digestion improves, bloating diminishes, and they just feel cleaner. You have more energy, you move with more ease, and you just feel good in your own skin. It's amazing how our bodies respond when we give them the nourishment they truly crave. Remember how sugar used to have this hold on you? How it dictated your food choices and left you feeling powerless? Well, my friend, those days are over. You are now in the driver's seat of your own health. You make conscious choices about what to fuel your body with based on long-term benefits, not just instant gratification. And that, my friends, is true empowerment. Remember that brain fog, that afternoon slump, that inability to focus? Sugar can wreak havoc on our mental clarity, leaving us feeling scattered and drained. But now, without those sugar highs and lows, your mind is sharp, focused, and ready to take on the world. You can think more clearly, make decisions with confidence, and tap into your creativity like never before. This is your brain on healthy living. My dear friends, you have accomplished something truly remarkable. You've gone 30 days without sugar. Think about the willpower, the dedication, the sheer determination that took. You faced challenges head-on and came out stronger on the other side. This experience has not only transformed your body, but also your mind. You are unstoppable. So what's next on this incredible journey? Now that you've experienced the transformative power of a sugar-free lifestyle, it's time to create a plan for the future. Some of you might choose to continue on this path, embracing a fully sugar-free lifestyle. Others might decide to reintroduce natural sugars in moderation, like those found in fruits and vegetables. As you move forward on your health journey, remember that knowledge is your greatest ally. Learn to read food labels so you can make informed choices about what you're putting into your body. Explore healthy recipes that excite your taste buds and nourish your body. The more you understand, the more empowered you'll be to make choices that support your long-term health and well-being. Keep shining your light, my friends. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey, my friends. I am so incredibly proud of each and every one of you for taking control of your health and embracing a sugar-free lifestyle. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but I know you have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay healthy and stay safe.